In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get Peacock for absolutely free. Like, subscribe, now let's get into it. Now, Peacock is notorious for not having any free trials. Like, they don't have a week for free, they don't have a month for free, but that is why I'm here. Now, they always do have discounts. Like, they always throw out 1-year discounts, like 6-month discounts, but there are a couple sneaky ways to get Peacock for absolutely free. Now, this is random, like random, but if you have Instacart Plus, you get Peacock for free. Yeah, Instacart Plus includes Peacock. Now, Instacart Plus isn't free by itself, but if you have any of these credit cards or any of these credit cards, you can get 1 year of Instacart Plus for free, which is essentially 1 year of Peacock for free. That means all these shows, Sunday Night Football, and so much more. Now, let's say you don't have those credit cards. Another way is the Rakuten route. Now, Rakuten is a cash back website. So whenever you make purchases online, if you go through Rakuten, they give you cash back on your purchases. So it's kind of a way of doubling down. You can get cash back from your credit card and then also cash back from Rakuten. Now, if you've never used Rakuten, here are the steps. Now, all you have to do is click the link in the description and sign up, and you are very close to getting your $40 sign up bonus. Now, the next step is you're gonna search Peacock, and then you are going to click that. Now, once you click Peacock within Rakuten, it's gonna redirect you to the Peacock website. And then you are just gonna sign up for the month-to-month membership. Now, the second you make this purchase, Rakuten is gonna give you the $40 sign-up bonus and an extra $3 in cash back for signing up for Peacock, which is gonna be about 4 months of Peacock for free if you apply all that cash back to the Peacock subscription. And that is gonna be more than enough time to stream whatever you want. So to recap, you can get cash back through Rakuten and get a whole bunch of months for free. Or if you have Instacart Plus, Peacock is included in your Instacart Plus subscription. So definitely look out for any Instacart Plus free trials or any subscription that has Instacart Plus included. Look out for that because that means free Peacock. Now, Instacart Plus will always have a 2-week free trial, so you can always take advantage of that and get free Peacock for a couple weeks.
And that is all I got for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!